all of you, my dear children. Greetings from Icon School of Excellence. I am Aditi, your teacher. I am here to teach you all language Hindi for the grade 2. I wish all of you are safe, doing good and ready to learn. Today I am bringing you all an interesting topic. But before I begin, let me try and understand what you already know about this. So children, in grade 1, you learned about the Varanmala. Varanmala is called the Hindi alphabets. I am going to share you my screen, and from here, hope you all are able to see it. So, विषय हिंदी, कक्षा 2, कक्षा दूसरी, and language. This is good for what I am teaching you here today is for both the languages, second and third. Fine, students. And my name is Aditi. So here my topic of discussion for today is Swar. But let's start with Punravritti. Punravritti means revision. Varanmala. Varanmala is called Hindi alphabets. Like English, we have consonants. The same in Hindi, we are called alphabets Varanmala. And they are divided into two parts here, Swar or Vyanjan. Swar means vowels of Hindi alphabets. Vyanjan is called consonants of Hindi alphabets. Fine, students. वर्ण ध्वनियों को सुने. Listen the sound associated with each letter, each varan. So today my topic of discussion is swar. Swar is called vowels. First varan in the swar is a. A से अमरूद. Speak after me. A. A से अमरूद. Guava. Second varan is a. A से आम. Mango. Third varan is E. E से इमली. Tamarind. Next varan is बड़ी E. बड़ी E से eek. Or there is another way to call it E. Next varan after badi E is U. U से उल्लू, owl. बड़े U से ऊन, wool. After U comes Ri. Ri से ऋषि, sage. A. A से एड़ी, heel. I. I से ऐनक, spectacles. After I comes O. O से ओखली, mortar. Next varan is औ. औ से औरत, woman. Next varan is अंग. अंग से अंगूर, grapes. And last is aha. Aha एक खाली अक्षर here. There is no picture. So you can say aha. So repeat after me, all of you children. A. E. E. U. U. Ri. A. I. O. औ. अंग. aha. After this, स्वर वर्णों को पढ़ना और लिखना सीखें. So here I am showing you one copy page where you can see that how you are going to write in your copy. If you have rough copy, there also you can write, and if you have your grade 1 Hindi copy, there also you can practice all these letters. So how you are going to write all these letters? On the top of your copy, you will write Punaravriti. Simply just you will see the picture, and from the picture only you can write in your copy. Pa. Pa को छोटे उ की मात्रा, ना. रा. रा को आ मात्रा, व को री मात्रा, त को छोटी की मात्रा. पुनरावृत्ति means revision. Fine children. After this, on the left corner top you will write the date, means तिथि. आप सब तिथि लिखेंगे. And here on the first line you will write swar. And how to write swar? Half sa, va, ra, swar, and underline it. So what is the first letter in the swar? It is a. All of you will write a on these two lines. Fine. As I have already told you that your letters should not go out of these two lines. Everything should be neat and clean, and there should be gap between the letters. Fine. So first varan in the swar is a. Give the gap or two finger gap. Write a. After writing a, give the gap. Choti e or e. Again two finger gap. Write badi e or e. Again here I am giving the line as of now, but just for a practice purpose. After badi e, write u or chota u. Then again give a gap. Here you write bada u or u. Again give the gap. Again give the gap here. Write re. Again two finger gap. A. Again next one you will write just below u. I. Again two finger gap. O. Again the gap. Write au. Again two finger gap. Write ang. And write aha just below I. Fine children. Like this you are going to write in your copy. Fine. Hope and I am believing that you already learned these letters, so it will be easy for you to write these letters. Without any difficulty you can write all these letters. Fine children. Now next topic is Anya Udharan. Here in Anya Udharan means another example. Let's take one more example for these letters. First varan is a. Speak after me. A say anar, pomegranate. A say adrak, ginger. Fine. Both anar and adrak, they are starting with the same letter. A. Second varan is a. A say am. A say ag, fire. Am is mango. Ag is fire. Next varan is E. E say imli, tamarind. E say elaichi, cardamom. So these are the examples of choti e. After E comes E. E say eek, sugarcane. E say int, brick. Both eek and int, they are starting with the varan badi e. Fine. Next varan is U. U say ullu, owl. U say ungli, finger. Next varan is U or bada U. U say ऊंट, camel. बड़े U say ऊन, wool. Fine. Next varan is Re. Re say rishi, sage. Re say rishab, bull. Fine. These are the examples of Re varan. After E comes A. A say ek, one. A say ad, heel. After A comes I. I say ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat. It is Lord Indra's elephant. Next varan is O. O say Oakley, mortar. O say O's, dew. Both Oakley and O's, they are starting with the letter O. You can see in the picture. Next is Au. Au say Aurat, woman. Au se auzar, tools. Fine children, mechanical tools. Hammer, screw, all these comes under these tools or auzar. Next word is ang. Ang se angur, grapes. Ang se ank, numbers, any number. Fine. And last is aha. Aha comes in prataha and namaha. As such, there is no example here in the page in which aha is the first letter. Fine. So, or you can say aha hai akshar khali. Fine children, I am believing that you are able to understand these examples. Now this is the time for question answer. I am going to ask you some questions. चित्र देखकर शब्द पूरा करो. See the picture and complete the word. Fine. So here is the picture. What is the name of this picture? This is Imli. Fine. This is Imli. Tamarind. So here is a blank here and a Mali. It is blank Mali. Just you have to write the first letter. Looking at the picture and the word will be complete. Fine. So here, what is the first letter here? Which letter will come here to complete this word? This is Imli. So now you know that E will come. So here on the blank you will write Choti E. So this will be the answer. Fine. If you will just write Choti E, the word is complete. Imli. Okay. Now tell me, what is the name of this picture? There are so many tools here. What is this? Yes, this is auzar. And here is the question that blank, zar, angbindu, ar, zar. So which letter will come here to complete this word? Yes, au will come. So here all of you will write au, auvaran, auzar. Fine? Very good. Which picture is this? This is wool. And the question here is blank na. So what will be the answer? Which varan will come here to complete the word? So this is the picture of wool. Fine children. So wool को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? ऊन. So what is the first letter in the ऊन? It is bada u. So all of you will write bada u here and the word will complete. Fine? Good. So this is the picture of ginger. Ginger is adrak. Fine. So here the question is blank the ra ka. So which letter will come here to complete the word? So see the picture. So which letter will come here? Yes, it is a. A say adrak. So all of you will write the first letter a. Hope you get the topic. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here is a number 3. And the question is that there is a blank and ka. So which word it can be? Okay, and what will be the first letter? Any idea? Yes, this is a number. Number comes in, what do we call number in Hindi? Ank. So since it is a number and the answer is Ank, so which letter will come here? It is Ang. So all of you will write Ako, Ang Bindu, Ank. Fine children? Good. Next picture is spectacles. So and the question is there is a blank na ka. So which letter will come here in the beginning? Which letter will come here? Yes, this is Ainak. So here I varan will come. Fine. So like this, you look at the picture and complete the word. Isn't it easy and interesting also? Good. Next is Abhyas. Abhyas is revision. So what are we are going to revise all these letters once again. So swar, speak after me. Swar, vowels. A से अमरूद. आ से आम. ई से इमली. ई से ईख. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से ऊन. री से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐनक. ओ से ओखली. स्पीक आफ्टर मी. औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. And the last word is aha. Aha है अक्षर खाली. So if you will count all these words, they are 13 in number. So how many vowels are in Hindi alphabet? 13. कितने स्वर होते हैं हिंदी वर्णमाला में? 13. So next is गृह कार्य. स्वर वर्णों को 3 बार लिखकर अभ्यास करें. If you have a copy or rough copy, you will practice swar letters 3 times in your copy. Fine, children? So, I am believing that you are able to understand this revision part related to swar. So, and I also hope that you found today's topic interesting, and I believe you were able to understand all that was discussed and explained. So children, importantly, I want all of you to revise on what was taught on today's session at least twice, and do your homework without fail. Fine. Before I am going to close this, let's pray. Let's end our session with a prayer. All of you join your hands, close your eyes and speak after me. धन्यवाद प्रभु इस दिन के लिए. धन्यवाद प्रभु हमारे माता पिता के लिए. धन्यवाद प्रभु हमारे मित्रों और परिवारों के लिए. आपके पवित्र नाम से हम प्रार्थना करते हैं. Fine, children. So I am looking forward to see you in my next session and eager to bring you all interesting topics. Lots and lots of wishes to you for your health and safety from all of us at Icon School of Excellence. Happy learning. Thank you.